Hey, what's going on, everybody? We're here. I think I figured out how to pronounce the name. Ozamis. I'm down here in Ozamis City. I'm wandering around the town. A couple things in this video I want to show you real quick. I want to show you the market here. I actually stumbled on it yesterday, and it's absolutely incredible. Just this massive market. But first, I got to drop off some laundry. So I thought I'd kind of show you guys a little bit of that process, what it's like to get your kind of laundry done while you're on the road here in the Philippines. So I'm walking over there now, just a couple minutes, so I'll be right back. So what I use is kind of Google Maps and just look around to find a laundromat, and I think it's right, yeah, here we go, right here. All right, we'll drop off laundry here. Hey, mayong bunta.
Drop off, sir.
Oh. Is it today?
4 p.m. lang.
4 p.m.? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, salamat kayo.
Minimum 6 kilos, 180.
Okay, that's fine. Kumusta imo adlaw?
Okay na, sir. Valor ang Visayas, sir.
Gamay Bisaya. Gamay kayo. Importante kayo though.
Name, sir?
Yeah. Okay.
Charles?
Chris?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, salamat. I'll be back at 4. What time do you guys close?
5.
Okay, all right, got it. Okay, thank
4
you.
p.m., sir.
Oh. Empin. Okay, that's great, right? So, otherwise, because the hotel was going to have me done at the next day, which I'm supposed to check out tomorrow, so that won't work. Hey Siri, remind me today at 4 p.m. to go pick up the laundry. Okay, great guys. So got the laundry dropped off. Now I'm going to show you the market here, and the market is absolutely incredible. So be right back with that. All right, guys. Walking over to the market right now, and yeah, I wanted to just point out real quick. Make sure you check out my video descriptions. I've added a bunch of information in the video descriptions recently using AI and research. Yeah, Dili Long Salamat. Put a lot of research and stuff in there as the description, so check it out. Even though I don't necessarily go to those attractions in those locations, a lot of information's in the video descriptions, as well as some affiliate links, gear and stuff that I use. So check out those video descriptions, especially as of late. So, yeah, kind of walking through this downtown area here. Check this out, a little bit busy. Almost to the market now. I'll show you here. Hey, yeah, people get pretty close. One of the things that people talk about quite a bit is, you know, one of the differences, cultural differences, they don't really acknowledge personal space, and that is definitely true. So let's see if we can cross over here. I don't mind it. I don't mind. But yeah, people get pretty close. We'll cross over here. Yeah, crossing the street can be a little bit like playing Frogger too. But yeah, don't mind. Yeah, almost to the market here. Yeah, you can see just utilizing the space, right? All right, here we go. We'll get through here. Yes. There we go. Made it through. Almost to the market here. Yeah, so Sundays should be a little bit busy at the market. It was pretty cool. People have a tendency to kind of get out on the weekends, and just like in the United States, right? People are working, so on the weekends they have a little more free time and kind of get out and about. So markets and malls quite a bit busy on the weekends. We'll see here in a second. Okay, here's another thing that's really popular. A lot of bread shops. Bread shops are pretty much everywhere. Pan de Manila is one of the more popular ones. Hey, pharmacies, there's pharmacies everywhere. Although drugs and prescriptions are a little more expensive here depending on what you're looking for. So that's one thing that's not cheap. So, all right guys, we are here in the market. You guys gotta look at this. You gotta check this out here, man. It's just so incredible. Hey, Sundays are typically the busiest days in the market. And yeah, just look at it, it's freaking massive. All kinds of stuff through here. Chicken. Hey, good morning. Hey, mayong buntag.
Mayong buntag.
Oo.
Mga Pilipino, mga guwapa.
Oh, wapa.
Yeah.
Salamat
Nasa-
kayo. Empin. I think she just said I'm beautiful, but oh, how cute. But yeah, here we are, man. We're in this market. You guys gotta look at this, man. It's just massive. I'll cut down this other side over here too. It's just, you know, all kinds of fish and, I mean, just look at it. Just, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just weird, but I find this kind of stuff wild. Definitely a pro tip, wear your shoes, right? What's up, man? Mayong buntag. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, salamat. Yeah, I love it, man. Love it. Yeah. So, I mean, look, it just goes down. We're at the end this way, but it goes down forever down that way. Yeah, you know, we'll just keep walking around, guys, because there's just interesting characters throughout here, man. People are really friendly, and you know, I just find half this stuff super interesting too. Is, you know, you don't have a lot. I mean, look at the size of these fillets over here, just freaking huge. And these fish, I don't know what kind of. I don't even know half these fish or most of these fish. But yeah, really cool though. All kinds of wild stuff through here. Yeah, lots of fish. Some crab there. Yeah. Pretty wild, man. Now we're back at the chicken. Yeah, some really huge fillets over here. So, yeah, I just dig it, man. Dig walking around these markets. Really, here's Adidas right here. Chicken feet. I've actually had them. They're not too bad. Oh, thank you. And then down here you got veggies, and I mean, look at all this fresh vegetables. I mean, you talk about eating healthy. Just so much stuff. So, yeah, let's keep wandering through and see what we can find. Oh, hey, mayong buntag.
Good morning.
Yes, mayong buntag. I mean, just look as far as you can go down and see, right? Let's see if we can cut down through here. Yeah, mayong buntag. Hi, mayong buntag. Yeah, just check it out. I mean, look at all this fresh stuff, you know? So you can definitely eat fresh and healthy, you know, for sure. So it's just a matter of this kind of shopping, this kind of stuff, finding, hey, mayong buntag. Yeah, one, a foreigner, two, with the camera. You definitely draw a little attention. Hey, mayong buntag. Yeah, really beautiful. But, you know, as you've kind of seen with a couple of these interactions, it's just super key to know a couple of the words. Hey, you know, if you can say a couple of the words in the local language, it really does make all the difference in how people open up to you. So, really appreciative. Yeah. All right, guys. So, oh yeah, dried fish. This is something also too that's really popular in the Philippines. So, hey, mayong buntag. All right, guys. So I think that's it for this video. We're gonna cut it off here. We kind of walked through the whole market area. So I just wanted to show you guys this freaking massive market here in the Philippines and everything that's here. So appreciate everyone watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Empin.